Grandad's lawnmower. One day Grandad said,
"Right, where's my lawnmower?" "Down in the shed."
"The grass is long, it needs cutting." So Grandad walks down to the shed, and look who he bumps into.
"Mind out the way, Hector. Hector, mind out the way.
Mind out the way, Hector. Grandad's gonna cut the grass." Grandad has two sheds, look. Come on, Grandad, open the shed door.
Where's my lawnmower?" "Silly Grandad, wrong shed."
Silly Grandad, it's the other shed.
Ah,
There's Grandad's lawnmower.
there's my lawnmower. Oh,
Now shut the door.
back to the top.
Grandad needs to take the lawnmower back to the top.
Mind out the way, Hector. Mind out the way, Hector.
Mind out the way, Hector.
Right, let's put it together.
Grandad needs to put the lawnmower together now before he can use it. He opens the arms and unwinds the orange wire.
Unwind the wire.
This lawnmower uses electricity. You have to be careful with electricity because it can be dangerous.
Let's plug it in. Because this lawnmower needs electricity.
Make sure the cable's not knotted, Grandad.
Right, let's see if it works.
That works. What about Hector's toys?
Right, I better pick Hector's stuff up first. There's Hector's ball. Ah, Hector's bone. Hector's stick. Let's put them up here.
He has lots of toys, Hector.
Right, let's start.
Come on, Grandad, start cutting the grass. Move the orange wire out the way, you mustn't cut that.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho. It's home from work we go.
What's that sound? It sounds like an animal. What do you think it is?
It's a lion.
That's funny. A lion in Grandad's garden?
Hey, lion, what are you doing there? Let's go somewhere safe.
So Grandad takes Lion to the top of the garden by the step. Then Lion can safely watch Grandad cut the grass.
You go on the step and watch. You can watch me cut the lawn. There we are. Right, let's cut the grass again.
And who's that again?
Mind out the way, Hector. Mind out the way.
Mind out the way, Hector. Grandad's cutting the grass. dear, Grandad's fallen over. Silly Grandad.
Silly Grandad.
Brush yourself off. Now be careful, as lawnmowers can be very dangerous.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
What's that noise? Sounds like another animal in Grandad's garden. There it is again.
What's that sound?
I wonder what's making that noise. What's Grandad seen?
It's an elephant. What are you doing in my garden, elephant?
What's an elephant doing in
Come on.
Grandad's
Come
garden?
up here to the top and you can watch me cut the lawn. Right, elephant, you sit next to Tiger. Oh no, lion.
That's right, Lion. You tell Grandad who you are.
Right, let's continue cutting the lawn.
So that's a lion and an elephant in Grandad's garden. That's strange. Do you think they've escaped from the zoo?
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go.
Come on, Grandad, go a bit faster.
Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go.
Can't you go any faster than that? We haven't got all day. That's better.
Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho,
I
hi-ho.
think the lawnmower needs emptying. Let me see. Ah, it is full. I need to empty it.
Grass cuttings need to be put into the green bin for recycling. Don't spill it, Grandad.
Hector's in the way again.
Poor old
Hector,
Hector.
come on, out the
He
way.
can't lie anywhere and go to sleep.
No, out the way, out the way, out the way. Right.
Come on, Hector, out the way.
Good boy, Hector. Good boy, Hector. Go on, up there, up there.
Help him up the steps,
Oh,
Grandad.
Oh. Right, that's good.
It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho,
Have you seen what t-shirt Grandad's wearing? It's a Ravens t-shirt.
hi-ho, hi-ho. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.
Why's Grandad going even faster now? Careful, Grandad, you're going too fast. You'll fall over again.
Silly Grandad.
Well, you've only got yourself to blame. You were going too fast.
Silly Grandad.
Silly Grandad. Now be careful this time, otherwise you'll hurt yourself.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home
Look where Hector is again. Always in the way.
Hector's always in the way. Now, come on, Hector. Out the way. Out the way, Hector. Out the way. Right. Right. Wait there. Sit down there. Right. Lie down. Lie down, Hector. Lie down. Lie down.
Lie down, Hector.
That's
Lie
good.
down.
Oh, that's a good boy, Hector.
That's a good dog, Hector. That's a good dog. Grandad might be able to finish cutting the grass soon.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Grandad's going fast again. Careful.
Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho,
Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off to work we go.
Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go.
Grandad's making good progress now.
And cheerfully together we can tidy up the place. So hum a merry tune.
Look how short he's cutting the grass.
There's a song to help you set the pace. And as you sweep the room, imagine that the broom
Not much left to go now.
you find her dancing to the tune. When hearts are high, the time will fly, so whistle while you work.
Careful, don't cut me. I'm not grass. I'm not grass. Careful.
What's that?
Who said that?
It's a giraffe. Giraffe, what are you doing in my garden?
I'm looking for my friends, Elephant and Lion.
Come on, with the rest of the animals.
Grandad takes Giraffe to see his friends. Thank you so much, Grandad. There's my friends.
Or perhaps I can finish cutting the grass now.
Poor old Grandad. There's always interruptions. There's so many animals in Grandad's garden. I don't know where they come from. Do you?
And cheerfully together we can tidy up the place. So hum a merry tune. It won't take long when there's a song to help you set the pace. And as you sweep the room, imagine that there's someone that you love, and soon you'll find her dancing.
That sounds like another animal in Grandad's garden. I think Grandad's going to have to stop again.
What can I hear?
What can you hear this time, Grandad? What's Grandad seen now?
Zebra, what are you doing in my garden?
What are you doing in Grandad's
Come
garden?
With the rest of your friends.
So Grandad takes Zebra to go and see Lion, Elephant and Giraffe. There they all are. I think someone's still missing.
Back to cutting the grass.
Surely there's no more animals in Grandad's garden, well, apart from Hector, of course. And he hasn't escaped from the zoo.
Just whistle while you work, and cheerfully together we can tidy up the place.
Remove the cable, Grandad. Don't cut it, as that would be very dangerous.
And as you sweep the room, imagine that the room someone magic.
Oh no! What's that this time? What's Grandad seeing now?
Tiger, why aren't you with the rest of your friends? Come on.
Now there's a tiger hiding in the bushes. There's a lot of animals in Grandad's garden. There's lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, and tiger.
There we are. All the friends together. Back to cutting the grass.
But look who's in the way again.
Hector. Hector's in the way again. Come on, Hector. Mind out the way. Come on. Mind out the way, Hector. Oh,
Hector's very heavy. Grandad can't pick him up, even though Grandad's very strong.
Mind out the way. Come on,
Ah,
mind,
Hector wants to
mind.
play.
Stop playing. Stop playing. Good dog. Good dog. Mind out the way. Mind out the way. Right. Go down there.
Hector is a funny dog, isn't he?
Oh, oh. That's good.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.
Nearly finished, Grandad. Come on.
Hi-ho, hi-ho.
There we are.
Hi-ho, hi-ho,
Finished.
Now you can have a nice cup of tea. That's a job well done, Grandad. That's nice looking grass and lawn. And well done, lawnmower. Well, that's all. So bye for now, and see you next time.